Hello again, this is Robert Veets here, and this is my video review of a product called the Bicolor Metal LED Video Light from a company called PhotoWelt. This is a really nice studio light because one of the great features it has is you can adjust the color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. It comes with 600 LEDs in place with black barn doors on the four corners, which are adjustable and they stay in place. It comes with a nice diffuser panel, and I'm going to show you how to mount the magnets on there in a couple minutes here. It comes with a AC to DC adapter with a USA plug on there, and a little instruction sheet also. And on the back of the unit has a whole control board to allow you to change the colors and the intensity. Some of the unique features of this light is it has a I-beam aluminum structure for strength. It also has great heat sink capability to cool the lights using that aluminum. It weighs about 3.5 pounds. It has a bicolor LED digital display on the back we're going to show you. As I mentioned, variable color temperature. The adapter has a diffuser panel, the four-sided barn doors, and what's also unique is the brightness range can be adjusted very evenly from 10% to 100%. And as I mentioned, 600 LEDs, and it has an included light stand on here with what looks like to be, if I measure it, looks like about 16 millimeter diameter standard light with an adjustable screw on here to hold it onto your light stand, which is really nice. Now the diffuser I mentioned comes with, you have to remove the protective plastic on. You can see how well it's diffusing right there. Included are 4 little magnetic circular pieces and screws and nuts. And you want to put it so that it's flush when you screw it on. And what's neat about this is that you place this over the light, and what it does is it hits these metal plates inside here, and then the diffuser stays in place. I could shake it, it won't go anywhere. So there's this little ferrite magnet and metal plates in the light right there holding it in place. So sometimes you want to use the diffuser to soften up the light, to soften up skin tones and things like that. So it's included in it. It's very easy to use. Now the lumens of this light, based on this model, it says it's 4800 lumens output. I'm going to be measuring that with a lux meter just to get an idea. Now if I'm going to show you the back of this, I'm going to close these doors right here so that we could look at the back. And here you could see that it has 2 bays for batteries, which are probably wired in parallel. And this will work with any Sony NP550 or an NP970 lithium-ion batteries. You can buy those separately. They're pretty inexpensive, about $10–15 each. Here you have the DC input, and you have an on-off switch right here. When you set up this mode for the amount of light and the color balance, when you turn it back on, it will remember that information so you don't reset it again. Before I forget, these screw on, and you put a washer on each side, which is included, and that allows you to change the bracket angle and lock it in place, which is really nice. So now if I take the included AC adapter, AC to DC adapter, and I plug it into the port right here. I'm going to turn the light on. Now I remembered my last settings, so you see it says power 35. If I change this mode button, turn it to the right, you can see the power increases, and it goes to 100% all the way down. If I go negatively, it goes all the way down to 0, they say. But in reality, it's 10%, because if I go to 0, it shuts off, and the first click is 10%. Most LED lights have a range of dimming, and that's what that is. So let's say I put it at 43%. When I push this again, I can change the color temperature. So you see it's at 32 because I left it at that. Then I can go all the way up to 5600. It'll go right back to the power level. So now the next time I turn this on, it's going to remember that power level, and it's going to also be at that color temperature that I set. That's really handy so that you don't have to redo it every time in the studio. So that's the basic operation. Works quite nice. And let's take a look at what the lights look like when they're turned on. I'm going to turn the power wing down here to 10% so that the camera could pick it up. So here's the barn doors opening right here. Very nice quality build. Nothing is sharp, everything is smooth edged. So the camera is going to get overexposed right there, but you could see it's a nice balanced output right there. And it has a diffuser on there, so it's diffusing it right now, making it even a softer kind of a light. Now I'm going to set this up on one of my stands right here, and I'm just going to do a quick lumen test. So I have the bicolor LED video light of Photo Welt standing right here at 100% on the display and balanced white, and I have a lux meter that is set the distance of the barn doors away to capture the bulk of the light coming out and to see the lumens, and you can see it's 5160 lumens. So it's pretty much what they're saying, 4800 lumens at about 6 inches away. And I don't have a light box together with all the light, but that's pretty much what I'd expect. So it's within specification. That's great. So what's my overall opinion about the Photo Welt bicolor metal LED video light? I really like this product. The aluminum construction, the low temperature, the balance of the light, the barn doors, just the quality of the build, the control box in the back. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.